AI can definitely help customer support team do a better job or to deliver a better customer experience. So there are four major areas where AI can help customer support agent and the team to deliver a better customer experience. The first one is identifying the severity of the issue based on the keywords or based on the subscription that the customer has signed in. So based on that, AI picks up the request and assigns to the agent or to the team, and the team identifies it and handles the request in a timely manner. So that's how we can handle any severe issues or any major issues that's been reported by the customer on a timely manner. The second one is AI can be used as a personal assistant for the support team or for the support agent. So every day agent picks up requests maybe for a callback or for maybe for a demo or on a personal follow-up. So for these requests, AI reminds that particular team or an agent to handle that request on a specified time so that we can ensure that no request is overlooked or missed by the team and the agent. The third one is it helps in avoiding the human errors. So AI can help a support agent to generate the content, and he can add his human touch to the response and send a better customer response for the customers. So this way customer gets a response which is error free. And the fourth one is AI can answer the simple and frequently asked questions. So when a customer reaches us, first AI picks up that request and it helps us in answering the question for the customer. So it sends the help article documents or any other KBs that we have for the question raised by the user. Later, if the customer still insists or if he still wants some elaboration on the query that he has for the day, the agent comes into play. So that's how AI helps customer support team to handle requests in a better way.
So there's no question about if AI can help. It's clearly going to be a part of everyone's future. So the million-dollar question is, how can we leverage it today? So there are a lot of possibilities when it comes to implementing an AI solution to the support world. As simple as an automated responses to an advanced NLP trained AI bot which provide our customer a conversational human-like interactions. AI also can help us, it is a great analytical tool which helps in pattern prediction and also data interrupts in new ways to understand our customer better. So a great example will be our own Zia, which integrates with ChatGPT, and that has also helped businesses to crack code and exceptional customer services. The possibilities are far too many, and I'm so excited on what the future holds for us.
AI can help with workflow automations such as assigning tickets to the correct support agents, sending follow-up emails on existing tickets, updating customer records. So these routine tasks can be automated with AI. And when we look at the natural language processing capabilities that we have in today's AI assistants and chatbots, they are getting more sophisticated. They can understand the customer's questions and provide recommendations and resolve their issues. When we talk about the human AI collaboration, AI can help support engineers recommend solutions and also help with sentiment analysis. Understand what is the customer sentiment by passing an email. When we leverage all these capabilities, we can reduce the support response times, resolution times, and provide better experience for customers across different channels.
A billion queries about your product is great, but a million people answering to it is not. That's where AI takes a weight off of our support reps' shoulders by automating routine tasks. AI empowers the support teams with smart suggestions. It delivers personalized customer experience, analyzes customer sentiments. It reduces responses and handling time, and much more. AI undeniably has become an indispensable companion and plays a pivotal role in reducing the workload of the support teams, focusing not only on handling queries but enhancing the overall customer experience.
Well, the answer to this question is a no-brainer. AI will definitely help support teams reduce workload. As a manager who leads a team of 40 plus members, I have always tried doing my best to help them work and complete their day-to-day activities at ease. With AI in the picture, this would help me manage a big team, making life easy for me and most importantly, my team. Let us talk about how AI can help support teams from the perspective of human versus AI. In the trend we see today, we find the mental health of our employees in question. This could be due to many factors: work and personal life balance, stress, adapting to changes at workplace. Now with AI in the place, I'm sure that this will help relieve support employees with the same. What AI can do to help ease agent workload is to help automate workflows, answer FAQs, perform repetitive tasks, saving time and delivers opportunities for agents to think, be creative for their own development.
In today's landscape, as our product grows, so does the expectations of our customers who look for a seamless 360-degree customer support experience. And for 2024, we strongly believe that optimization and consistency would be the key factors to achieve that. One single negative experience for the customer at a bad time, there is a definite risk of losing their trust that we built so far, and even more, they might stop using our product and related services altogether. So, offering a consistent support service throughout the customer journey would be a top priority for us in 2024. From implementing chatbots to tracking anomalies and measuring sentiments, we strongly believe that the ZI integration will empower our agents with the right toolset for handling daily critical support operations more effectively.